Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today, I want to share 5 standout original movies available on Amazon Prime. First, Sound of Metal. This powerful drama follows a heavy metal drummer played by Riz Ahmed, who begins to lose his hearing. The film beautifully explores themes of identity, acceptance, and the struggle to adapt to life altering changes. Ahmed's performance is both raw and deeply moving, supported by a stunning sound design that immerses viewers in his experience. Second, The Vast of Night. Set in the 1950s, this sci fi mystery revolves around two teenagers who discover a strange audio frequency and set out to uncover its origin. The film is notable for its unique storytelling approach, utilizing long takes and minimalistic dialogue. Its atmosphere and clever cinematography create a sense of intrigue that keeps viewers engaged throughout. Third, One Night in Miami. This fictional account imagines a conversation between four icons: Muhammad Ali, Malcolm X, Sam Cooke, and Jim Brown after a historic fight. The film is rich in dialogue and character development, offering insights into the social issues of the 1960s. The performances are outstanding, particularly Kingsley Ben Adir as Malcolm X, making it a thought provoking watch. Fourth, Borat's subsequent movie film. The much anticipated sequel to the original Borat film delivers a mix of satire and social commentary. Sacha Baron Cohen returns as the outrageous journalist Borat, navigating modern America in hilarious and shocking ways. While it pushes boundaries, it also cleverly critiques societal norms, making it both entertaining and relevant. Lastly, being the Ricardos. The biographical drama focuses on the tumultuous marriage of Lucille Ball and Desi Arnaz. During a week of filming I Love Lucy, Nicole Kidman and Javier Bardem deliver standout performances, bringing depth to their characters. The film explores themes of love, ambition, and the complexities of fame, making it a fascinating look behind the scenes of a beloved television show. These films showcase a range of genres and storytelling styles, highlighting the diverse offerings of Amazon Prime's original movie catalog. If you want to subscribe to Amazon Prime Video, I have a link in the description. Go ahead and check it out. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, thank you for watching.